Welcome back to another video. Today we have Ryobi. Yes, Ryobi holiday deals. They're here at this store only. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes, only this store. The deals. I heard that the holiday deals start the 25th of this month, October. So make sure you guys check it out. Go to your nearest store if this is what you want to do. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I did a Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt video. Make sure you guys check them out up above, and a gift section video of this Home Depot. So I split this this big video. I had a lot of footage. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. That's the way it looks with other different brands. Like I said, this video is just gonna be Ryobi. So let's start here. This is the setup, the holiday setup that they had. So let's start here with the left. So then we got the drill here, $89. It's 18 volt brushless, half an inch drill driver kit. This is 1.5 amp hour battery charger and a bag. So it's pretty much the whole kit, pretty complete kit. And then we got the one-handed reciprocating saw tool, only $89. All right, let's go over to this side. $89 for the 18 volt compact brushless, a 1/4 inch impact driver. Same thing, it does come with 1.5 amp hour battery charger and a bag. You got $89 for the 18 volt compact brushless cutoff tool. Then you got impact driver and drill driver, compact brushless 2-tool combo kit, $129 with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. Was $179 according to what it says here. Then they got these bits for $15.97. These are impact rated, 50 piece according to what it says here. You got some nut drivers there to the left. You got some stars there to the right. You got some socket adapters, 2-inch squares, a magnetic sleeve. You got some Phillips 2 inches, 2-inch Phillips. You got some flats there, some more squares, and some star bits. Yeah, $15.97 for this set. These are the drills by themselves, the impact drivers and drills, the kits. So that's what you want to get. You know, obviously, if you buy both of them at the same time, you're going to end up saving a little bit more. These are the two tool combo kit, the impact driver and drill driver combo. Alright, they got this 40 piece kit drilling and impact driving, $14.97. It does come with a 1-inch spade bit, some two spade bits. You got some black oxide. You got some wood blades or wood bits. You got some, looks like some nut drivers there to the right. Some 1-inch bits there. Alright, so you got your choice here, $49, pretty much any of these tools. There's some that are okay, some I wouldn't buy. This is the 18 volt hammer drill. I guess the hammer drill is pretty good for somebody that's just drilling for the house and stuff like that. You got a 5.5 circ saw. You got a reciprocating saw. You got a hybrid LED work light. I do have this light. This thing's amazing. It's bright. You got a compact router. That's probably the tool I would go for if I was in this platform. Multi-tool. So that's the circ saw there. The hammer drill to the right. And the reciprocating saw. You got the router there and the oscillating tool to the left here. So this is like everybody doesn't want the oscillating tool because it has, there's a lot of these here in stock. Everybody's picking out the other ones. You got a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries here. Seems like the new style. If you guys see, it's the new style. It's like slanted on the bottom. It's not flat. Usually the older styles were just completely flat out squared. These are a little bit, you know, slanted. A little bit of angle there. You got $79 your choice, any of these. You got a 4 amp hour battery high performance starter kit, or you got the vacuum. This is one of the newer vacuums. I believe this was released last year. Was one of the new releases. And that is battery operated, by the way. Got $79 for a 1/2 inch drill driver kit with two 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag. You got a 25 piece black oxide drill bit set, $19.97. So you guys see there's no tools down there. All we do have is the black oxide drill bits. A pretty complete kit for the house, for the DIY. It says plastic, wood, metal, light metal. It's not for heavy metal. or thicker metal. So it's for lighter duty use. Got $19.97 for the 7-piece impact drive set and $59 for the impact driver kit. You do get one of those the basic chargers there. Alright, so you got some 2-inch bits, some squares. Looks like some socket adapters, some magnetic sleeve. Got some 2-inch Phillips to the right. Alright, you got impact driver and drill driver with 2 small batteries, a charger in a bag, 99 bucks. It says 1.5 amp hour batteries. So not the best deals here on Ryobi this year. I don't know what's up with Ryobi this year. They had some good deals, but it's not like going crazy over them. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I think this year DeWalt actually won on the deals. They just had some awesome deals. So make sure you guys check all those deals out, all those videos. Those are the black oxide. You got some 1-inch bits to the left. You got some Phillips, some flats. Got some stars there to the right. You got some Phillips 2-inch bits. You got some nut drivers there to the bottom. You got some black oxide, and then you got some concrete drill bits and some spade bits here on the left. 95 piece. Alright, they got this for $199. It's a 6-piece combo kit. Drill driver, impact driver, circuit saw, reciprocating saw. Alright, you got your choice, $99. So this is a pretty good deal on that Brad Naylor A-Strike. That's a really good deal on that. So I'll definitely go that impact wrench. That's a really good deal on that impact wrench. And this was a pretty good deal too on the miter saw. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals here. Alright, let's start here. We got some, you got a table saw, you got a compact table saw, you got miter saw stand there, vacuum, and then you got 2 miter saws, 2 different miter saws to the left. Let's check it out here. Alright, so you got the 7 1/4 miter saw, $119. It says carbide tipped blade. So this is a smaller miter saw. This is mostly for, for the back of the truck. You're gonna be pulling it in and out of the truck. $179 for the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. It is a slider. So regular price $219. Alright, you got the 10-inch table saw with the folding stand. So this does come with a stand. That's a pretty nice. And then you got this one. This was the 8 1/4 compact table saw. $119. So it's not too bad. And $179 for the other. Alright, so they got the HP, the angle grinder. You got the 2 4 amp hour HP batteries. You got the jigsaw. You got the hammer drill. Router, or not the router. Reciprocating saw, circuit saw for $99. Your choice, any of those. Or you can get the drill driver, impact driver HPs for $199 with 1 big battery, small battery, and then you got $179 for drill driver, impact driver with regular smaller batteries. I believe they're still HPs. $269 for that combo. Alright, you got the reciprocating saw here. This is the HP reciprocate, one of the newer ones. You got the HP circ saw, 99 bucks. You got the blower for $159. This is 350 CFM. You got impact driver, drill driver with 2 small batteries. I believe 2 amp hour and a 3, I believe. $179. Looks like 2s. Looks like 2 2s. So for $179 here. Alright, you got the 6 tool combo kit. Those are non-brushless tools, non-HP. Same thing with these. Yeah, it's just, you got the jigsaw here. It's the HP jigsaw brushless. You got the angle grinder, 99 bucks. Got the hammer drill, 99 bucks, was $119. And then you got the 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries. These are HP batteries. It's one of the better batteries that they make. So if you do get some brushless tools, make sure you guys get some of these batteries. $99 was $149. Not too bad. And you got that 6-tool combo kit there at the bottom from $199. Was $299. It does pretty much include all the basic tools, you know, circ saw, reciprocating saw. I don't know if it's an oscillating tool. You got drill driver, impact driver. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes, I will be making another trip to this store. So definitely stay tuned this weekend. I'll see if we can get some more newer deals or some newer posts from this store. And alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.